This EURUSD chart till now not give us any sell confirmation. Previously I told you that it will here stop loss, sell stop, but unfortunately market not to come here and go to upside. So at this moment this 200 EM indicate market till now is downtrend, and this is the horizontal resist support area. It's a horizontal resistance area when you make it's a trend line. This is a trend line. So till now we are waiting for breakout from here. If one breakout, we may here sell stop or direct sell from here, because this is the point for dynamic support, dynamic resistance for 200 EMA, horizontal resistance, trend line breakout. As well we can consider Elliott theory 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here we can make sell stop. If go market here, and at that time when again market come here, then we mix buy from here. If go upside, it will be our next scenario.